Happy Thursday, guys. Happy Thursday morning. Look at this beautiful sunrise. Well, the sky. Look at this beautiful sky. That's the sound of Kookaburras. That's why they call them laughing Kookaburras. But back to the sky. Check it out. Sort of quiet, actually. There should be more birds than just a few Kookaburras. But that's just a street light. Yeah, so look at this beautiful sky. Let's see if we can see anything exciting. I don't know. That sound is a gecko. We have a lot of those. Red sky at dawn, sailor be warned. Red sky at night, sailor's delight. So that's an interesting triangle up there. Hey, do you reckon? Let's zoom. Interesting. I didn't do that. I just think that's to see it. Oh, birds. Okay. Oh, I'm missing them. Oh, there it is. It's just a singular. Where's the rest? Where's your mates? Go back to that little triangle there. Interesting. Okay. That red. I suppose the sun's coming up over yonder there. I'll go up here a bit more. I was just putting some rubbish out. I had a late night because I have a night doctor. It's actually a doctor that works at night, and I had to go and see her and get home until about 2:30 in the morning, something like that. I don't know. But so I'm still awake and I'm doing my chores, hanging out washing. I was just putting some rubbish out and I looked at the sky. I thought, whoa, that's really unique. So I thought I'd share it with you. Those clouds look really groovy. Hear that little... That's geckos, like I said. Now it's getting darker. Have we still got our triangle? Yeah. Well, I don't know what sort of bird that was, but it seemed to have a kind of sense of humour, I think. That looks like a portal. I'm not saying it is. It looks like it. And the Kookaburras. Yeah. Okay, well, I won't... I'm glad you can hear some of those birds. Oh, they're waking up now. I beat them to it. It's nice. Okay, so let's go back to this red. Let's check it out and see if that what's that? Morning birds in Queensland. Anyway, I should get inside, guys. It's nearly 5 minutes. So take care. Happy Thursday and have a great day. Love to all. Bye, guys.